Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Now, previously we have learnt about the animals, different types of animals, and where they find or where they found. Now, though animals live in jungles, they also face different kinds of dangers. Okay, now what is that? We'll see. So here S3, that is block 14, our animal well. S3, dangers animals face. Now these animals, what all dangers they will face? Animals. Now, to analyze the dangers faced by the animals in India. In India, how they face this, let us see how. So, dangers animals face. Now, what all dangers they'll face? Here, hunting. Hunting and poaching already we have learned. Then people eat meat of animals, right? Then clearing forest or cutting the forest. Floods and earthquakes. Due to that also they will die. Animals fight with each other. They kill each other also. And I think so with climatic also, with climatic condition also, with drought, famines, with that also they will, they may kill. Okay? Or they die. So let us see. I'll say a few points, more points. Okay? That's all. Very short. This lesson is very small. It is very easy. I'll just tell you few points. That's all. Now, children, animals like elephant, tigers, and rhinos are hunted and killed for body parts. Some animals are hunted and caged to be sent to the zoo or in a circus. This is all dangers they face. Where they are used for fun. Clearing forest also impact animals. Forests are cleared to make roads, buildings, and farmlands. Now, when animals are hunted, their numbers keep decreasing. Yes, it will become less. When numbers of animals keep decreasing, means less, they become endangered. Means one fine day you will not see that animal only. You don't know what is that animal. For example, nowadays they are hunting tigers. So one fine day the tigers and lions you won't be seeing, or your children won't be knowing, children, that what is lion and tiger. You know, but they don't know, because it is already vanished over from the earth. So that is known as endangered and have the chance of disappearing from the earth only. Tigers and elephants are endangered animals as people hunt them. Yes, they hunt them. Forest cutting, this is all the reasons. Animals lose their home. Definitely, if they cut the forest, they'll lose their home. And food also. They die of hunger. Sometimes people also die during floods and earthquakes. Animals are affected when there is a change in climate. Yes, change in climate also. Due to climate also. That is when a place gets too hot or too cold also. That's all. Now open your reader. Now children, take out your reader, page number 90. Needs to protect animals. Animals in our country face many dangers. People hunt and kill, already I told you, them for their body parts. So their numbers are decreasing day by day. When the number of animals of a particular type decreases, they become endangered. Already I explained you what is endanger. Endanger is anything that has the danger of disappearing from the earth. It is there in your meaning. And slowly disappears from the earth. Tigers and elephants are endangered animals, as people have been hunting them for a very long time. Forests are home to many animals. Very often people clear the forest and cut down the trees to make roads, buildings, factories, and for farming. When forests are cut down, animals lose their home and source of food. They die of hunger. Sometimes animals die due to floods and earthquakes. Animals are also affected when there is a change in climate. That is, when a place gets too hot or too cold. For example, a snow leopard which lives in the cold mountains of the Himalayas cannot survive in a hot place. You can see how they are hunting. See this picture in your reader only. Hunting animal was a favorite pastime in India from ancient times. Now children, take out your workbook, page number 31. S3, dangerous animal face. Now fill in the table. Dangerous animal face. People hunting animals, cutting trees and clearing forest. This is in one box. Okay. The second box, earthquakes and floods. Third box, climate getting too hot or too cold. Too hot or too cold. Too hot or too cold. Right? In this box, again big box, in this effects of animals. Animals are dying. Their numbers is decreasing. They are losing their food and shelter if forests are cut. They cannot live to the place gets too hot. I hope you have understood. It is very easy. Second one, write a slogan telling people what will happen if animals disappear from the earth. Yes children, now you should learn to write the slogans. Okay, so one I'll show you here. Others, if you like, you can write here. The earth without animals is like a tree without leaves and flowers. So save our animals. That is one slogan I have. Okay. Now one time please see, I'll show you nicely. You can take screenshot, whatever you want to do. I hope you have understood. Right.